Codesignal, arcade, different symbols, naive. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving different symbols, naive. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Let's begin anyways. Given a string, find a number of different characters in it. Okay, so if you have C, A, B, C, A, you know you have 3 different characters. Okay, and you definitely know that you have a string of at least 3 characters. This is going to be straightforward. I'm not going to type out the directions because I'll just tell you right now, it'll be quick. Basically, what does you think this means? You need different ones. That means that even though they're the same things, you don't count it in your counter of different characters. That means you need a hash set, because the inherent behavior of a hash set is that it's only going to store unique values in the hash set. If you put a duplicate value, it's not going to incorporate that. So once we create the hash set, we could just extract the size, and that will just tell you the number of different symbols in it. So let's see if that works. Actually, let's just get right to it. We create the variables. Set of characters of symbols equals new hash set. Oh, sorry, it's character. Okay. All right. Now we go a for loop of each character in the string array. Now we convert this to a 2-car array, so we go through each character. Symbols dot add. We just want to add the character, and now we want to return the symbols dot size. There you go. This could take about on time and on space, on and being representative of the number of characters. Oh, don't do that. And number of characters inside the string. There we go. It passed. Hot diggy dang. So easy, guys. We're on a roly-poly today. So please like and subscribe if you like this type of content. I'm definitely going to do some much more difficult ones. I'm going to go full lead code. Codesignal is fine if you want to learn. I think it's a good learning platform. It's like a good Dr. Seuss. There are some hard questions though, but you know. Anyways, if you do like and subscribe, I'm going to give you a Pokédex that every time you see, like it's going to be a Pokédex but for real life. Like if you go around and then, you see a different animal or something like that, it's going to tell you if it's a different character or different animal or not, and it's going to store all the data in a hash set. And yeah. That's basically this cool Pokédex, a real-life Pokédex. It tells you all the information about a random thing out of the ether. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. Just kidding around. You guys take care. Have a good day.